Hello again, and welcome back to Real Talk Behind the Badge. I'm Tim, a military vet and retired police detective sergeant from Massachusetts. A lot of you probably already know me by now. In my career, I've been a patrolman, a street supervisor, a detective, and in charge of a narcotics squad. I've been shot at, my family's been threatened, I've been sued and cleared, been injured too many times to count, and I've had to fight for my own life. I know what the life of a cop is. In Real Talk, we intend to evaluate everything at the end of this video to tell you exactly what, as a retired police officer, we feel was illegal, police misconduct, mistakes, etc. We hope to show the public that good cops are not afraid to call out the actions of cops that make mistakes or bad cops who need retraining, discipline, or even fired. Now, I had a real hard time watching this video today. My blood boiled. We're going to view a police body cam footage of officers of the Sacramento, California Sheriff's Department shove a 71-year-old woman out a door where she breaks her hip on the concrete, and then they never render her aid. She lies there for an indeterminate amount of time before spending almost 2 weeks in a hospital. This is not only stupid, but unconscionable. If you ever wonder why people don't trust us as cops, this here is a real good example. Now, there's a lot here that's illegal and never shouldn't have happened. The officers at the scene, I feel, should all be fired and held liable. Watch the video and we'll discuss what should and shouldn't have occurred. I have cut out some of the video where there is nothing going on so as to not waste your time. So let's get going, and you can chime in at the end with your comments. All video is from the officers' body cams and the department's cameras. We encourage everyone to leave a comment. Let's get going.
Hello.
Experience. Hi.
Hello. Let me see your right hand. All right. Just this one, okay?
Yeah.
We gotta go like this.
Yeah. What is this?
Because I gotta make sure that
This
you're...
is, it doesn't look like, what is this supposed to be? Anyway,
Okay. Anyways.
listen.
Sign one more time.
Just one more statement.
Really?
One
So,
statement.
like, listen to me.
Okay.
So, like, I need you to listen
Okay,
to
please
me.
don't touch me.
I need you to listen
Please
to me.
watch your contact, okay?
Okay.
Please stand back. You will need me to
You
sign.
need to stop fucking talking and just
What?
listen to us.
What did you
Sign
say?
the form.
Look how
It's
they
very
make the
simple.
officers talk. Okay, this is terrible contact. This is contact.
You'll be okay.
This is outside.
You're gonna be
This is
reported.
outside.
FBI is overseeing this and
talking.
how you are.
Stop
Thank you.
talking.
Have a good night.
You'll be okay.
Oh.
Now let's break it down and analyze the different parts of this video that was illegal, unjustified, and just plain stupid policing. A lot of this video speaks for itself. The sergeant at the scene doesn't seem to give a shit one way or another and should be fired, but it doesn't seem he was. That is a shortcoming of the sheriff. Now, no one should be treated like this 70-year-old woman was. All the officers there should have been fired for not saying anything or rendering any aid. It's unknown how long she lay there before help came. She was in the hospital for almost 2 weeks and missed the passing of her husband while she was in the hospital. Now, this supposedly happened in October of 2024. It took until February of 2025 for the sheriff to put Deputy Matthew Gurich, who shoved the woman out the door, on leave, probably on suspension. He was terminated in March, probably due to citizen outrage. I always wonder if there was no outrage on this, if the public didn't know anything about this, what would have happened? No charges have been filed as of yet that we know of. If anyone shoved a deputy like that, they would definitely have been charged with assault. So there you have it. Situations like this make the public worry about police officers unnecessarily. The internal affairs of this department needs to be reminded what their real job is. It's not to cover up bad policing or protect the department. It should have never taken 4 months to come to a resolution of suspension with all the camera footage of this assault. Let me know what you think. Now, one of my intentions is for police officers to learn from the mistakes and bad decisions made and discussed here. If a department would like to use any of these videos for training, please let me know. Please help us out and hit subscribe and share your thoughts in the comments. If you are in law enforcement, active or retired, let me know what you think. If you have a video you would like us to analyze, please send it to the email that I'll put below. For more information and videos, go to realtalkbehindthebadge.com. Thanks to all of our brothers and sisters behind the badge. This is Real Talk, signing off until next time. Have a great day. Thank you.